today's fast-paced world, businesses face a common challenge: making every customer interaction count while keeping operations seamless. Imagine a system where every customer touchpoint is insightful, every sales opportunity is maximized, and every client feels valued. This is Newton CRM. Newton CRM gives you an end-to-end view of your customer journey, from intelligent lead management to personalized marketing campaigns. Gain real-time insights for proactive decisions, ensuring no opportunity is missed. But true business strength comes from synergy. Newton's integrated ERP provides the operational backbone you need, ensuring customer promises are always fulfilled with zero infrastructure burden. Nippon Data System brings you Newton, built on a foundation of guaranteed success with a 100% implementation rate. Achieve unprecedented return on investment. Newton CRM and ERP isn't just software, it's your partner in sustainable growth. Ready to take the smart path to business growth? Visit our website or contact us for a personalized demonstration.